Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you can't tell, I have very thin hair, so I'm always looking for hair care products to help enhance the volume of my hair and make it look thicker than it actually is. So I recently found this shampoo and conditioner from Monday and I've fallen in love with it. It definitely adds great volume to my hair. This is what it looks like after washing it. I have no product in my hair, no hairspray, no mousse. This is just fresh and clean right after blow drying it. Aside from the great volume it gives me, one of the other things I love is it just makes my hair feel really clean. The conditioner isn't super heavy. Some conditioners I find leave your hair feeling kind of waxy. This doesn't. It just really makes my hair feel like it's fresh and clean. It's soft, but not flat. This is SLS free. If you're not familiar with what that is, that's sodium lauryl sulfate. So that is something that will make the shampoo really sudsy, and for me, it will tend to dry out my scalp. So I love that they leave that ingredient out. You'll find that it doesn't have the same type of lather that other shampoos have, but that doesn't mean your hair is not getting clean. They leave that out, and it's really good if you're prone to having a dry scalp like I am. You're gonna love that that ingredient is not in this. If you're looking for something to help enhance your volume, you should definitely give this a try. I absolutely love it. And that's my point of view.